Right, so that's the belt and the alternator, air compressor on. We're now going to fit the fuel pump, spark plugs, exhaust manifold. Now we'll be fitting the carburettor. This is the new gasket for it. Now that we've bolted the carburettor onto the engine, that's about as much as we would want to put onto this engine until it is in the car. So I will now lower the engine down and fit the gearbox. So we are now going to mount the gearbox to the engine, which involves bolting the torque converter to this plate, but you always keep the torque converter attached to the gearbox so as you don't ruin any of the threads inside or the brackets that hold it in.